So to present the screencast on my Kahoot, on the left I have from the gamer's view, and then from the right I have the educator's view. So to start the Kahoot, you just hit start to launch it, and you'll see that it's showing the questions, and then they get prompted with the question from the screen, and then there are answer choices that coordinate to shapes. And so for this question, it asks, who is the President of the United States? And so the correct answer would be the red triangle, or Donald Trump. So you would click that. It immediately gives the feedback that you want and how many answers you've gotten in a row, and then the points. So it kind of makes the classroom more of a game than a review session. To move on, you hit next. It shows the scoreboard or the leaderboard. So if you wanted to incentivize with extra credit for everybody who's on the leaderboard, then you could do something like that. If not, then it just shows the point totals. Hitting next again will prompt the next question, and then you can see from their point of view that it brings the shape up. So this is a true and false question, so there's only two options, and so the question is Mike Pence is the vice president, which would be true, so you would hit the blue diamond. And after that, this is a no point question, so it gives this feedback, but it doesn't give any points because it's been modified to not be worth any points.